Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage subscription services with Stripe step by step clearly. To manage subscription services with Stripe, begin by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the billing section from the left-hand menu. Next, select subscriptions to view your current subscriptions. Click on Create Subscription to set up a new subscription plan. Enter the customer details, including their email and payment information. Choose the price plan that fits your service offering. Set the billing interval, such as monthly or annual. Add any trial period if applicable by specifying the trial duration. Review the subscription details for accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click Create Subscription to finalize the setup. To manage existing subscriptions, return to the Subscriptions page. Select the specific subscription you want to edit. You can update payment methods, price plans, or billing cycles from this tab. If you need to cancel a subscription, click on the Cancel button. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation process. For handling failed payments, monitor the notifications in your dashboard. Set up automated retry settings to recover failed payments. Use webhooks to trigger events like payment successful or payment failure. Integrate testing environments to simulate different scenarios. This allows you to ensure your setup works as intended. Analyze reporting tools to track revenue and subscription metrics. Utilize customer insights to refine your offerings over time. With these steps, managing subscription services with Stripe becomes streamlined and efficient. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.